going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have another haul video for you today. This haul video almost didn't even take place because we almost didn't even go sourcing for this day. My wife and I were getting ready to go to a concert, and it was a couple hours before we had to leave, and I found a yard sale that was pretty close to our house, and they called it kind of a neighborhood sale, which was maybe about 7 houses selling stuff. So we decided to run over, check it out beforehand, because hey, I got a fear of missing out, and if I don't go to a yard sale, who knows what I'm not going to find. So we found a few things here, not too much, so this video is going to be kind of shorter. So if you like those shorter videos, this is for you. But I'm going to show you what we found, and yeah, let's get into it. But before that, first time here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Also like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. We really appreciate it, and when you do all that stuff, you could be notified for our next videos. Now, let's get into that stuff. I finally got Squishmallows. We got a happy birthday one, brand new with tags. We got this one, I'm not even sure what it is, brand new with the tags. And then we got this one, brand new with the tags. Almost like an avocado maybe, or some kind of berry. But yeah, we also got a couple more too, but the kids upstairs already kind of called them. So we ended up paying 10 bucks for this big lot of Squishmallows. Pretty good deal, and we were super happy. I mean, they're gonna sell. It just it might take a little bit of time. Who knows? We've never sold Squishmallows in the past, so this is one of the first times that you've seen Squishmallows on this channel. My kids have bought them before, but they keep them. This time they said, hey, let's sell them, let's make some money. Next thing we picked up was this blender jar here. This is a 6-cup glass jar, brand new in the box. I think we paid a total of $1 for it. It shouldn't sit around too long, and it shouldn't sell for too much, but it should be a quick seller. A lot of people always look to find replacements for their blenders, so this is a good pickup. Keep an eye out for them. If you can get them at the right price, it's actually worth picking them up. This next thing was a cool little find here. This is some cereal bowls from the 90s. I think the date on it is 1995. It is some Kellogg's bowls, and I think if you bought enough cereal, you could send them away and get these bowls. So we have this one here, which I think is Rice Krispies. We have this one here, which is Kellogg's Corn Flakes. We have this one right here, which I think is Fruit Loops. If I'm wrong, comment below. I think it is Fruit Loops. It doesn't say on the bowl, but yeah, I think that's Fruit Loops. And we have Tony the Tiger Frosted Flakes. For all those, we paid a grand total of $1 for the whole set. They're pretty cool, and if they don't sell, the kids upstairs will use them because honestly, they're pretty cool cereal bowls. Next, guys, you know we love Starbucks mugs just as much as we love Yetis. We like selling Starbucks mugs, but found this Starbucks tumbler right here. I think this is a 20 ounce, maybe 24 ounce tumbler here. The rainbow tumblers always do really well for us, so we always pick them up. Plus it has a straw, which is a huge bonus. A lot of times with the straw you can get a little bit more money out of them, so really good pickup here for $1. Also picked up this Starbucks mug too. This is one of the plastic travel mugs. I think this is a 16 ounce mug. Yep, 16 ounce, but this one here we picked it up for $1. These do take some time to sell. Sometimes designs sell better than others. So if you could pick these up right here for a decent price, pick them up, especially these, because sometimes a lot of these special ones move pretty quick and for some good money. This next thing, I'm not even 100% sure why I bought it, but this is a Fusion Nicer Dicer right here, brand new in the box. We paid $1 for it, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm hoping to sell it, but I almost dropped it. But if it doesn't sell, I may just end up keeping it or gifting it to somebody, so we'll see. But for $1, well, why not? Finally picked up a calculator. This is a TI-84 Plus. This doesn't sell for too much. I gotta put some batteries in to make sure it works, but we paid 50 cents for this, and I think on the low end we might get 10, 20 bucks for it, so not too bad, and it should be a quick and easy flip, especially now school going back. I should have probably listed it a little earlier instead of waiting to do this, but yeah, it'll still sell. VHS video cassette rewinder, brand new in the box. This is an old one. It still has a Hills price tag of $18.97 on it. So if you're old enough, you know about these things. They're pretty cool. Every household pretty much had one, I feel like. But yeah, we picked it up, I think, for 50 cents. So a lot of people still collect these, and a lot of people still like VHS tapes. 2 more items, guys. We picked up a pair of Cowgirl boots. These are a size, I think, 6.5. Yep, 6.5 Ariats. I'm going to try to clean them up some. A little bit of mud on them, but the guy actually gave them to us for free. So some of these boots actually do sell really well. So clean them up and ended up throwing some leather conditioning on them too, just to get them looking good, and somebody will purchase these to head to a concert now maybe. So the last item in this video right here is a pair of Harley Davidson boots. Harley Davidson women's boots. I think they are a size 7. We paid $5 for these. A little bit of cleanup, and these things will be looking brand new. Probably should get about 25 to 40 bucks for these, so pretty happy with that. So guys, that is the haul for this video. It was a pretty fun yard sale video, and I'm actually kind of glad that I went because it actually did do pretty well, and we found some good stuff. So, till next time guys, make sure you subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.